The renovation is finally complete. The tools are packed away. The dust has settled, and the transformation is almost ready to enjoy. But before anyone steps foot into the space, there's one final step that should never be overlooked: post-renovation cleaning. Construction and renovation work may improve your space, but it also leaves behind dust, debris, and residue that can pose health and safety risks if not properly addressed. A thorough cleaning is essential not just for appearances, but for creating a safe, livable environment. So what exactly needs to be done? And how can you make sure nothing gets missed? Step 1. Know who's responsible. Before cleaning begins, determine who is actually responsible for the post-renovation cleanup. In many cases, contractors will remove large debris and perform a basic broom-swept finish. But anything beyond that, including deep cleaning and dust removal, typically falls to the property owner. Knowing this in advance will help you prepare with the right tools, schedule, and support. Step 2. Clean the interior from top to bottom. Once the space is clear of construction materials, the real cleanup begins. Start by dusting and vacuuming all surfaces, including ceilings, walls, baseboards, furniture, and floors. Dust finds its way into every crevice and, if left behind, can cause respiratory issues, especially in newly renovated or enclosed spaces. Focus on often overlooked areas like air vents and ducts, blinds, drapes, and windowsills, ceiling fans and light fixtures, cabinet interiors and hardware use microfiber cloths and vacuums equipped with HEPA filters. These high-efficiency filters trap ultrafine particles like silica dust, a common and potentially hazardous byproduct of drywall mortar and concrete. Don't forget to vacuum and shampoo carpets and upholstery, which trap dust deep in the fibres. And if possible, run an air scrubber or air purifier with a HEPA filter for several days post-renovation to reduce airborne particles. Step 3. Understand the risks of construction dust. Not all dust is the same. Renovation activities like sanding, drilling, and cutting can release silica dust from concrete, brick, and tile, wood dust from cutting or refinishing drywall dust, which spreads quickly and clings to surfaces. These types of dust can trigger allergies, asthma, and even long-term lung issues if inhaled in large amounts. Proper ventilation, protective equipment, and filtration are all critical to creating a healthy indoor environment after construction. Step 4. Clean the exterior spaces. The cleanup doesn't end at the front door. Outdoor areas often accumulate debris and grime during construction too. Remove nails, screws, packaging, and trash from driveways and walkways. Power wash patios, decks, siding, and exterior walls to remove fine dust and paint splatter. Clean windows, including sills and frames, to restore clarity and prevent dust from migrating back inside. This step is especially important for homes or buildings with outdoor entertaining areas, porches, or landscaped entries. Step 5. Final inspection and quality check. Once all major cleaning is complete, walk through the entire space with a checklist. Look for missed areas, especially corners, vents, under furniture, and behind doors. Ensure bathrooms and kitchens have been sanitised properly. Confirm that all debris has been removed and floors are dry, polished, and safe to walk on. Replace air filters in your HVAC system if you haven't already. Dispose of all trash and cleaning materials according to local regulations. This final check ensures the space is not only clean, but healthy, functional, and ready for everyday living. When to consider hiring professionals. While many people choose to clean up themselves, some situations may call for professional support, especially if you don't have the tools, like HEPA vacuums or scrubbers. You're pressed for time. You're concerned about lingering dust or air quality. You want peace of mind that everything has been done thoroughly. Final thoughts. Post-renovation cleaning is more than just tidying up. It's a vital step that protects your investment, your health, and your comfort. It brings your renovation to life, ensuring the space looks, feels, and is ready to enjoy. With the right tools, techniques, and attention to detail, you can restore clarity, freshness, and order, turning the final page on construction and beginning a brand new chapter in your space.